I'm Tara and I'm 16 years old. I'm a national level athlete and I want to win an Olympic medal for India.
Hi, my name is Gohar Goyal. I'm a 17-year-old studying in the 12th grade. I want to study molecular biology and I hope to make the world a better place.
I'm Sri Akshita. I'm 13 years old and I study in 9th grade. I love music and I listen to my favorite band BTS. And I aspire to be a famous musician one day.
Hi, I'm Divya. I'm 16 years old and I'm extremely passionate about sustainable menstruation. And I would say my favorite subject in school is biology.
My name is Parithi. I'm 15 years old and I'm in 10th grade. I really love dancing, both traditional and hip hop. I also really love to bake with my friends.
Hi, my name is Sahana. I'm 16 years old and I study in Greenwood High. I'm really passionate about spreading the word about sustainable menstruation. In school, my favorite subject is biology. When I grow up, I would love to become a doctor or even get into the research field.
Hi, I'm Ishana. I'm a 16-year-old introvert who loves animals, writing, and French. I'm the Duchess of Design at an online magazine called Riot Mag, where I also have a column.
These are disposable sanitary pads.
I have used sanitary pads and I didn't like them at all.
They feel plasticky and itchy.
They stink.
They look so white and clean, don't they?
They add bleach to make it look white.
Do you know how harmful bleaching chemicals are?
They add chemical fragrances to mask the smell of blood.
They don't work at all.
The pads are ultra thin because of polyacrylate gels.
So many chemicals.
So much plastic.
More chemicals.
More plastic.
All these cause rashes,
Itchiness.
Skin irritation,
Discomfort.
And of course, stink.
The sanitary pad absorbs the blood, but your skin absorbs the harmful chemicals from the pad.
There are many long-term implications.
Research shows that prolonged use of the modern disposable pads can cause endocrine disruption,
Reproductive harm.
recurring UTIs, and even cervical cancers.
Remember all the plastic in the pad? It makes the pads last forever in the environment.
Every pad ever made on Earth is still on Earth.
Unless it is burned. When burned, it releases dioxins into the air.
Dioxins are the leading cause of cancer today.
80% of blockages are due to pads being flushed down the toilet. Have you thought of the health hazards posed by health workers dealing with these pads?
So, what's the solution?
Wait, there are awesome solutions.
Cloth pads.
I use cloth pads.
I switched to cloth pads.
So cloth pads look like these.
I love the colors and patterns, especially the owl and fox print ones.
It feels so soft.
It feels natural, just like padded underwear.
This is the absorbing side and these are the wings.
You clip the wings of your pad to your underwear like this.
This is the leak-proof layer.
Make sure the patterned side is touching the underwear.
I'm a light bleeder. I use 2 pads for my entire school day.
I fold the used pad like this and put it in the pouch.
I carry this pouch to school with an extra pad in it. And I bring back the soiled pad in this pouch as well.
So usually after I use the pad, I fold it like this and keep it in my uniform so that I can bring it back home.
There is no stink.
After I reach home, I open all the used cloth pads and soak them in a mug of cold water.
By the time I change and freshen up, all the blood has already run out into the water. I rinse the pads and put them in my washing pile. It gets washed with the rest of my load in the washing machine.
Akka puts it for drying along with the other washing. We have a nappy hanger thingy and it is very useful for hanging my cloth pads.
I do the 3-mug thing. 1 mug of plain water to drain off the blood, 1 mug of soap water to wash it, and 1 more mug of plain water to rinse off the soap.
I don't like it when they get all wrinkly in the washing machine, so I iron them lightly so they look neat.
Both me and my sister use cloth pads with different patterns so they don't get mixed up.
Once it was raining for a whole week and my pads wouldn't dry, so we used a blow dryer to dry them.
I roll up my pads and store it in this basket.
I stack my pads in a separate drawer.
I like cloth pads with broader wings. It keeps the pad in place.
The large pads have a broad base and I like to wear them in the night so that I don't stain the bed sheets.
I love using foldable pads because they are easier to wash and a lot faster to dry.
Now that we have online classes, I can change my pads often. I prefer to use the medium pad even on my heavy flow days.
I like the extra long pads. I use them even on my spotting days.
I have pads of all sizes. I use different pads for different days.
Cloth pads are more convenient than you think.
Cloth pads feel natural.
It feels great to have guilt-free periods.
Trash-free periods.
Cloth pads rock.
Choose sustainable menstrual products. Choose cloth pads.
Choose cloth pads. Choose cloth pads.
Choose cloth pads.
Choose cloth pads.
Choose cloth pads.
Choose cloth pads.
Looks like a blue parrot wish you can fly to me. I wish you good day, good day, good day. Good day, good day.
大丈夫だって Oh yeah いつかは Good day 当然一人じゃなくて Always そばにいるって We'll be okay